Well, we were identical. We were born identical.
Did you go to high school with your brother?
I did, yes.
But he's your twin brother.
He is my twin brother, yes.
And, like, identical.
We do not look identical, but
Well,
yes.
to you.
Okay,
To
fair
you.
enough. We helped each other out in certain situations. One time I was coming back from acting school, and he said, listen, my teacher has offered me the points that I will need to graduate. I just have to deliver a Greek monologue from a Greek tragedy. He said, what are the chances that you know a Greek tragedy? I said, actually, I just did this. Tomorrow, come 12 noon, black shirt, jeans, black shoes. Just go sit, it'll be a tiny room, just find a place to sit. Expecting a small classroom, it's an auditorium of this size. Find a place to sit, and I wait, the professor calls on me. Deliver the monologue.
Yeah.
I started out slow, my heart was pounding. I think, okay, you actually have an audience, right? Seize the moment. I'm really starting to appreciate having the audience, and it's working. I get a ton of applause from everybody, right?
Oh, wow.
But then I thought, wait, did I overshoot this? Because the professor looks at me and she goes, come over here, Mr. Malek. Yeah, and she has a skeptical look on her face. And she opens the door and takes me outside, and she goes, when did you learn how to do all of that? It's just a hobby. She goes, just a hobby, huh? She goes, well, can you stay and do this for my next class? I said, did I get the points to graduate? I said, oh, yes, you very well have. I said, oh, my car's in the red zone, and I gotta go.